Hi, superstars. It is time for math, and we are on lesson 3-5, count to 10. So we're going to learn to represent a group of 10 in different ways. Let's look at this problem. Jackson sees some ducks swimming in a pond. Use counters and draw a picture in the empty pond to show how many ducks Jackson sees. So what can we do to help us remember how many ducks we've counted? By putting a line as we count. So let's count the ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We counted 10 ducks. We know we didn't forget any because we put a line through each one. So now let's put 10 counters in our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's our 10 frame. We filled it up. So we automatically know that there are 10 counters in this. We do not have to count it when it is totally full. So you should know that there's 10 if it is full. So that's one way to represent 10. Now we are going to draw 10 ducks in this pond down here. So I can draw anything to represent the ducks. I will draw an oval shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I drew 10 ovals, one for each duck. So we have a drawing, we have counters, and we have the ducks. So we can match one counter and one picture to each duck. So we are representing 10 in 3 different ways here. All right, let's move on to our next page. I see ducks swimming here. How many ducks are there in this first picture right here? Let's count them together and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 ducks. How can we find out how many counters there are here? We can count the counters. So does it matter which counter we start with first? No. So let's start over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 counters. Why are there 10 counters? Because there are 10 ducks. There is one counter for each duck. So how many counters should we color in over here? We should color in 10 counters, one for each duck. So I'll go ahead and I will color in all of our counters because we know this is a 10 frame and that there are 10 counters in here. All right, let's look down here at problem number 1. You're going to draw a counter for each bird you count to show how many. All right, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's draw 10 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One counter for each bird. We're on number 2 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again, we are going to fill in our 10 frame because we know that there are 10 spots to fill in. And there you go. Let's turn to our next page. Let's look at number 3. We're going to count the birds and draw a counter for each bird we count to show how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to write the number 8 so that I remember. Now let's draw in the number of counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do the same for number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I can write the number 10 and draw in my counters. This is a 10 frame, so I know that I have to fill it up. All right, let's move on to the next page. We're going to do the same thing for these questions. You are going to count the birds and you are going to fill in those 10 frames with the correct number of counters. For number 8 down here, you are going to draw 9 or 10 birds. It's your choice. And then you're going to draw a counter for each bird that you drew in this 10 frame. So it's your choice, 9 or 10 birds. So make sure you're keeping track of the bird you're counting by either putting a line through it so you don't double count it. You're doing a great job, superstars. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.